Medium fade, X V-shape line, X hard part comb over tutorial for aspiring barber. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for those who haven't subscribed to this channel, and press the notification bell to update on our next uploaded video. Thank you. Let's use hairspray water to fix hair before we start cutting. First, use guide number 1. Line up with VGR Trimmer. First, guideline using VGR Trimmer. Zero gap with VGR Trimmer. Use the Andis Shaver. Next, to use VGR Trimmer 0 again. Zero close lever using clipper. Using guide number 1 again. Then we're using a guide 0.5 for blending. Zero using the magic clip. Let's play the lever to remove the guideline and dark spots. Using a 1.5 guide for the last guideline. Guide number 1 again to remove the last guideline used by 1.5 earlier. Let's play a guide with the 0.5 guide to remove the remaining dark spots. That's still the process on the other side. This video also included a tutorial for aspiring barbers or those who also wanted to learn to cut. Hopefully this video will help aspiring barbers with different modern and classic haircuts. Please support our page please, and follow that we also have YouTube channel JC the Barber and Kuya Barbero TV. Thank you so much. God bless to all of us, and also to be careful with all of us. Sorry on the wire of the ring light is blocking the video. Shout out first we shout Sir John Carl Dingle of the Tawag NG Tangalan Season 5. Thank you for the trust and support in our barbershop. Shout out to my cousin 8BB and Princess Pal. Thank you for always watching my videos and my real support. Hey! To those who would like to shout out, comment down below so I can shout out you in the next uploaded video. Thank you very much. Create V-shaped line on the back. I had forgotten the scar. I should have put on the scar on the V-shaped line. Sorry, next time again.
What we do here is go back.
It's just shaving so we don't get injured by our costume. Clipper over comb. Let's put a hard part on her so she won't have a hard time with hairdo. Grooming. Cut a little bit on the top.